What will you do when the moment comes? That calling you here from deep inside, pulling on you like gravity. An aspiration to create something, do something, or be something. Not because it will fix you. You're not broken. Not because it will earn you praise. The doing of it is its own reward. You do it because of who you become and what you learn in the process. You do it to see what you're made of. To create, or do, or be in a way that no one else can, but you. You do it because you know it's yours to do. You answer the call because you're stronger than your fear. Because you're resourceful enough to find your way through. Because you want to know who you are on the other side of this journey. Because you're willing to meet resistance and keep going. Because the doing of it can be just as valuable as what's left behind. Because creation is the love language of the Spirit. So how will you show up when you hear the call?